everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. And I want you to come along and pack with me. This is Jackie White, Sweet Dreams Travel, where we have extraordinary travel experiences waiting for you. So let's get started. So the first thing, of course, is our luggage. You gotta have at least 2 or 3 pieces. And the hard shell is my favorite. So what I do is, this time I'm on a cruise. So of course, even though in your boarding information, it's going to talk to you about stapling your luggage tag, because the cruise ship will give you a luggage tag so it can identify your cabin number and with your name on it and everything. But instead of this stapling like they say, I always highly recommend, this is a wonderful piece I have here, and it's plastic. You can get sets off of Amazon, or I found some at the local stores, but it's very important that you use this. It's a lot easier, because when you're flying anyway, you can't put that tag information on to after you arrive. And I always recommend coming 1 day at least ahead of time, maybe 2 if you want to, look around and have like 2 vacations in one. So I definitely highly recommend luggage tags. That's very important. So this is the small one I usually carry on board, and then I have the bigger one over here that I carry all the rest of my main stuff in, because I do, even though that you can bring small personal ones with you, excuse me, I actually bring full-size items, so hence the large suitcase. So one thing I do, here's my first one. This is one of my wonderful packing cubes, and what I normally do is I just recommend making a list of everything that you and anybody traveling with you needs. And let's open this one up. Let me show you what I packed so far. Really, I'm done. So, because I like to bring a lot of stuff, just to be careful and to be sure. So with this one, I have Tylenol, of course, chewables, toothpicks, and sunscreen, lotion. I also bring a light, because if you're on a cruise, I have a motion sensitive light as well as a non-motion sensitive light. I do bring a bathing cap. I bring my own soap, and of course any medicines that I need as well. And batteries are very important, an ice pack, and I also do magnets for the wall to stay organized that way. And of course, I'm traveling with someone else, so that means it got extra large. Another thing I always bring with me, these cute little cubes like this, and this I carry in my backpack, is my organizer for, this one has all my jewelry in it to keep that organized, even though I just moved it out of the way. And then over here, I also, in my backpack, have my, please at least bring 1 or 2 of these portable chargers, because you never know, especially when you're doing a lot of video or anything like that in various locations. You just don't want to have your cell phone battery run out if you are using that instead of a regular camera. So I always pack one with me, and the cord. And of course, in this cube, I have my exercise wear. I always try to keep everything separated, so that way I know. And I just normally, in the drawer, I just slide it right on in. I don't even take it out. I have it set for each day that I'm on a cruise, or if I'm just going to a destination directly. And in this one, I have some dresses and some other fitness wear, because being a lady, you never know when you might change your mind. And in this one, of course, the one I love the most is my cruise dresses. And so I will be having another video of some of the dresses that I do, wear and bring along. So this has my dresses in it. Another thing I do is I put all my shoes also in a packing cube. So this one has in it, or my regular sandals that I wear. And then I also have one for my dressier shoes to go with my dresses. And then another thing I do is I have this wonderful cube. I got this from like the dollar store, and usually I have it for each person that's traveling with me, and they throw all your shoes in there so that way you know where they are all in one. So I hope this has been helpful to you. I hope you have enjoyed packing with me today, and don't forget to give me some comments below, some suggestions, some ideas of what do you do when you pack and go on vacation, whether it's a cruise or if it's this you flying to a destination. So again, it's Jackie White, and don't forget to click that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.